Bought a washing machine and it did not work right. The washer motor made a grinding noise. Contacted Amazon and they replaced the washing machine. Been using the replacement machine for 20 days now, once or at times twice a day. No complaints. Good product. Great customer service. Amazon team. Shipped all of best. Nice product. Easy to handle. One drawback is that water pipe too short to adjust. You need to have large size pipes if your tap is far or you want to adjust. Rest are fine. Good product. My mom very happy and she is smoothly used it. Very good product. Good product with helpful demo. Wonderful. I use it since 1 month and result found satisfactory. Love Whirlpool. Good product, fast delivery as always. At my budget it's too good. Great product within nice price range. Very good brand product at very reasonable price. Everything's good about this washing machine. Whirlpool at its best. Best buy. Value for money. Been working amazing. Worth of money. Question mark. Nice. Friendly use. Click link in description for more reviews.